In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Lotro.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator in the right pane. Simply type SFC space forward slash scan now. Scan now just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once the process is 100% completed, then just simply type exit in the command prompt window and do not forget to restart. Next method is we have to reinstall, or you can try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. Then from the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Simply locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots and select uninstall and simply reinstall it to your Windows 11. Then from the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to update your Windows. And the next method, check your system type first. Type system information, click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ or distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.